Hello, Julie here with Paisleys and Polka Dots, and I'm here to show you a look at our family mini album kit. I designed this kit using the So Happy Together collection from Simple Stories, and I also designed it using their 6x8 snap binder. If you're not familiar with these binders, they come with 21 pages in them, so 42 pages front and back. Lots of pages to put photos in. So it gets really full by the time you add everything into them. And I'll show you more of what's inside there once we get into the album itself. You'll also receive a set of step-by-step instructions with color photos for you to follow along and complete your album. You'll receive a set of journal bits and pieces. These have lots of little journaling tags inside, so you can add bits of information or maybe where you've been or a date. You'll also receive a package of bits and pieces. These are the cute little icon pieces. There's 56 in this package. Actually, the other package had 49 pieces. So lots of little goodies to play with throughout the album. A package of chipboard stickers. So these are the nice thick chipboard ones. There's 27 on this sheet here. You'll also receive 6 Ziploc bags. So everything in this kit is pre-cut and packaged by Ziploc bags, so you'll follow along with the bags. In each Ziploc bag, there are several pages per bag. Everything is packaged in order by page. You'll also receive any smaller embellishments, any ribbons or trims that will go along for the coordinating pages within that package. In the back of the kit, you'll also receive some 3x4 journal cards and also some 4x6 journal cards. These will go inside the pocket pages within your album. Okay, let's take a look at the album itself. You have 2 options for the front cover. You can design it as shown here, or you have the option to customize it with a last name. These will all be laser cut. You can customize it with your last name or somebody else's last name, and they will be painted, so they'll come just as you see here. Okay. Inside the album, there is no order as to the way the album has to be. You can put the pages in any order that you want. Here's one of the pocket pages. This is the 6x8 pocket page. I believe there's 4 of these in the album. Here's the 4x6 and 3x4 combination. Easy to add photos here, add some journaling. I even added one of the little tabs here for the corner of the page. So these pages make it really quick and easy for you to design your album. Okay, here's one of the craft divider pages. There's 3 of these inside the kit or inside the album itself. Okay, more pocket pages. Here's one of the cardstock pages. I put this little tab here on the end, make a little flip for you. There's 8 of these pages within the album. This is a little flip page, so you can open it up, add more photos, add journaling inside. Another pocket page. Here's another flip page, so you can add more photos inside. Lots and lots of pages for adding lots of photos. Here's another flip page. Some ribbons. There's ribbons for all the pages. Fun ribbons. In this one's a little pocket page, so you can take your 3x4 journaling cards that are in the back of the kit, attach photos to the back or journaling to the back, and then insert them into the pocket. Okay, fun little page. I love the colors of this album. They make me so happy. Well, it says So Happy Together right there, right? Here's another flip page. So you can add, again, more photos and journaling inside there. Okay, another pocket page, another cardstock page. And back here, this is where these last 4 pages, they are not designed. So you can use your own imagination for designing these pages. There's 4 of them. You can attach photos and journaling to them. There will be extra bits and pieces and stickers when you get finished with the album, so you can add those to those pages. So there you have a look at the album. Great album for any types of your family photos that you have. Maybe a year in review. Maybe give it to a friend. Makes a great gift. So thank you for taking a look.